Recording in progress.
So we're going to the nature and nurture debate. So when we talk about nature, it focuses on influence of biological factors on human behavior. And for nurture, it focuses on sociology, it focuses on society and cultural factors to influence human behavior. So get the difference here. For nature, biological factors influencing human behavior. For nurture, culture and society having influence on human behavior. That's the difference between nature and nurture. So, and when we talk about human behavior, we're talking about our attitude, our personality, and our general behavior. So what influences it? Is it nature or nurture? If it is nature, it means there are biological terms or there are biological factors. If it is nurture, there are societal and cultural factors. So for biological factors, we're talking about genes, heredity. There's heredity. That's the transfer of genes from parents to their offspring. So that means you are behaving this way, you are behaving because it is part of your genes. It is what you inherited. Do you understand? So if behavior is being influenced based on genes or heredity, it means it is through sociobiological ideology. But if it is about we thinking the influence being about, if the influence is about you or it's about the society or the way of life within the society, then that means it's through socialization. That is what we call nurture. Yeah. So nurturing means upbringing. So upbringing that comes as a result of societal and cultural influence is nurture. Upbringing that comes about as a result of heredity or gene or the transfer of genes from parents to their offspring, that is nature. I think you get the explanation now. Yes. So here I wrote, nature, it focuses on the influence of biological factors on human behavior. This implies to the extent which our personality, attitudes, and behaviors are decided by what we have inherited. So it is about what we inherited from maybe our parents or our grandparents. So like, oh, it looks like his grandfather. Oh, she looks like her grandma. Oh, she looks like her mother. So this is
physically or mentally.
Physically, it could be physical. Attitude could be physical or mental. It's about attitude. Our behavior. So behavior is all what we do. So if our behavior is linked to our parents or our grandparents, that is heredity, inherited. That means it is inherited. But if it is linked to the society, that is nurturing.
Okay. Yes.
So for nurture, it focuses on the influence of society and culture on human behavior. Note, it is difficult to separate nature from nurture because we live in societies. As a result, our genes are expressed only in social situations. So now, both nature and nurture are interdependent. Why? Because we are human, and we live in societies. Yes. We live in society, right? Yeah. So whatever our reaction will be, it would be based on social situations. There would have been a reason for our action. Yeah. So either inherited action or societal action. Both will happen because of social situation.
Yes.
Do you understand? So then it becomes difficult for us to take nature and nurture away. But they are not the same.
Yes. Especially
functionally, they don't believe in nature. All sociologists do not believe in nature. They believe in nurturing. Because sociology itself is the study of the society.
Nature is like for positivists, right?
Yeah, it could be for positivists. Because it's experimental, so it's for positivists. Do you get it? So when you look at it in-depth analysis about nature and nurture, you find out that for sociologists, they prefer to talk about nature. They prefer to talk about nurturing because it is societal.
Yeah.
Do you get it? So that's about that. Then the difference between them is about the biological determinist and social determinist. So there's determinism. Okay. So how do we find the difference between nature and nurture? So to find it, we use determinism to find it. Do you get it?